road to make a change. Nothing will be the same.
Come study floristry at MIT.
I love the vibe.
I've always loved flowers and it's been my lifelong dream to be a florist.
Set yourself up with a career in the flower industry with MIT.
My dream job is to own my own shop.
Develop your skills to express.
I love painting, drawing, and helping other people see a different way of life.
And advance your way in floristry, retail sales, marketing, and more.
Opportunities for jobs come up. We took a field trip and 2 of the students were offered work on the spot. Foot in the door, and that's where networking starts.
The fact that we do everything hands-on has been the best part of this course, because I'm definitely more a hands-on learner.
Actually, it was really nice. Through the whole lockdown, they did online learning and we had a lot of support from the tutors, and I can't recommend them highly enough.
MIT is a very cultural place. People from different cultural backgrounds speak different languages. So at the very beginning, I was not very confident about myself, but yeah, Lisa and Lennon always encourage us, and that really gave me more confidence to go further.
Our classroom environment is smart, innovative, and open.
The classes are really small and the lecturers give you lots of one-to-one time.
My class is 11 people, which is amazing because you get to have more of a one-on-one experience with a teacher.
We've got really good connections with industry. Some of that is our own graduates who are out in business running their own businesses now. We've got projects like for the last 2 or 3 years we've been involved with doing all the table flowers for the Silver Scroll Music Awards at Spark Arena. So you see all sides of the industry, the logistics and the mechanics of what it takes to get 50 designs from one place to another and set it up in time.
Ready to make the change? Set yourself up for a career at MIT.
You've got a dream and you want to do it, follow it because it's really worthwhile. And it doesn't matter how old you are.
People here will help you a lot. You don't have to worry about that. Just come, enjoy the study and explore.
They've been really good at helping me sort of figure things out with my disability. So it's been really good to have that sort of help to figure things out in a way that I can physically do them.
Whatever your passion is, and if it's floristry, you'll find yourself in a room full of like-minded people. They also feel passionate about floristry. You'll learn and grow together, and that's one of the great things about coming to MIT.
I am unstoppable.